Do you know how OpenAI Agents SDK work and how you can build your own research assistant with OpenAI Agent SDK? So in this video, I'm explaining you all of this. Hi guys, welcome to FreeBirds crew, and let's create our 12th AI agent using OpenAI SDK toolkit and building a research assistant for you that can research on any topic by using the OpenAI large language models and give you the details in the Markdown format. And here is the short demo of the project. As you see, when I input my research topic, it starts analyzing it and building a research topic queries, and based on these, it can create a final report for me with the references and the download link for the Markdown file as well. So let's build this project. First, let me tell you what is OpenAI Agents SDK. It is a platform that empowers businesses to create custom AI agents that tailored for their specific needs, and this development is poised to revolutionize the development of the AI agents across various industries as well. And the core components of the Agents SDK is it has the agents that the AI agents as well. It has the handoffs, that means you can delegate the task to the other agents as well. It has the guardrails that ensure safe and reliable operations as well. And you can install the OpenAI Agents SDK by using pip install OpenAI-agents in the Python command prompt. And you can read my full blog on Medium as well, in which I explain the complete OpenAI Agents SDK in detail with Python code as well on Medium, and I will put the link in the video description as well. Now get all the prerequisites of this project. Get them all and listen and learn carefully. First, you need to have the knowledge about the AI agents. What are they, how they work, and what are the agentic design patterns. And you have to watch these two videos to get yourself familiar with the AI agent workflows and designs. After all this is done, so let's create our 12th AI agent that can work as a research assistant for you and can research on any topic by using the OpenAI large language models. Oh guys, so here is our research assistant that we use the OpenAI Agents SDK here. These are all the components that we are going to use here. We are agent, runner, web search tool, handoff that will make a triage agent that will try to handle all the multiple agents and try to get a sub-consolidated response at the end as well. We use the OpenAI large language models here as well. Okay, so first we need to initialize everything. Okay, and these all initializations are very necessary here. We need the required facts, research started, research done, report, along with the necessary key initializations of the Streamlit sessions as well. We first need the async OpenAI because it's all the asynchronous operations are here. Okay, so for that we need this client here. We use the chat completions client because we already do the chat completions here only as well. Okay, and the first thing is the function tool that will save the important facts. Okay, because at the first we are trying to generate the outline. Okay, so for that we just try to select all the collected facts, and for that facts we have to mark it as a fact because this is the fact that we already saved. Okay, and then if there is any another fact that is there, we try to add it with the date time with the source as well. Okay, then first is of the query rewriting agent, because whenever we try to write a query, it is not the perfect query as well. Okay, so we write a query rewriting agent that will write the perfect query for you and in a very good way by using the GPT-4 Turbo large language model. Okay, and then first is our research agent that will do the research for you. It will search the web, save the key insights, save the important facts by using the same save important fact functions, and then it will return the information in the Markdown format. Okay, this is the research report format that we already set, and it will try to compile a structured research report for you by using the GPT-4o large language model, and it will use this kind of tightline, outline, report, sources, word count format as well. Okay, then we have the research plan because at the first we need the research plan there as well, and that can be done with the help of this triage agent. It will generate the search queries that research agent will try to search online as well, and it will try to generate the focus areas from the topic and return a JSON response that can be shown with the help of the research plan, like the topic that we want to search along with the search queries along with the focus areas. Okay, and then completely based on that, it will try to generate all the responses for us. Okay, at the first, whenever we put any kind of input query. It will try to first call the research plan agent, and then it will try to build the report for it, and it will try to create a whole plan for us. It will try to create a whole report for us. So that's how this whole AI agent will work. Okay, so now let me just show you that how this AI agent will work in the real time. And this all code right down there is just a code for the Streamlit UI to show the report in a particular way. But that's how these three agents are there, and we just need to give him the output. And for each output, it will first call the planner agent, that is the triage agent, because you see the triage agent will do what? It will first try to generate the search queries, and then hand off the job to the query rewriting agent, and then to the research agent, and then to the editor agent as well. Okay, but it will generate the research in this format first, and then it will try to pass on the jobs to these agents respectively. Okay, so that's how this all things are gonna work here. Let's see how it works in the real time. Okay, so for that we just try to first run this AI agent. We just try to gen AI. This is our research agent. Streamlit run research agent. Let's try to run it. Okay, so here is our AI research assistant. We first enter a topic. Let's say we will put a topic like AI agents in sales domain. Like we put the use cases of AI search domain. Enter. Start the research. Now it will start the research, generate the plan for you, and do every work for you as well. So here is the research plan. These are the topics. These are the research queries. These are the research queries that is trying to search on there. Okay, you see that it is conducting research now. Currently there is no facts, but it is trying to research it here. Okay, these are the outline, and this is our blog right down there. Introduction, AI research in sales, everything right down there with the links and with the download report option that will generate the report in the form of a Markdown format. Okay, so that's how your AI research assistant will work. You can give him any topic you want. You give him any kind of question you want to give it as well. It will try to generate the same response for you, and that's everything done with the help of OpenAI Agents SDK asset. Okay, I will put this code in my GitHub repository as well, and in our next video we'll try to build SDE coding assistant with the help of OpenAI Agents SDK that will build a whole project, whole code, and whole task for you by using the planning agent, by using the research agent as well. We use this kind of build a whole SDE coding assistant with the help of OpenAI Agents SDK. Okay, just be with it. If you want to know more about the generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and everything like that, you can watch my video on YouTube and also read my blogs on Medium. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.